Military technologies that have reached a new level. In today's unpredictable world, civil unrest and asymmetric warfare demand innovative, dependable solutions to maintain order and enhance force response. Imagine having the power to control chaos with precision. Meet the CTS Venom by Combined Systems. This cutting-edge, non-lethal solution is redefining military and public order capabilities. The Venom system delivers an unmatched combination of scalable effects, enabling forces to disperse crowds, secure perimeters, and neutralize threats effectively. Whether it's riot control at close range or long-distance operations requiring intent determination, this system equips military and law enforcement units with a game-changing pre-lethal response option. Compact and portable, the 37mm Venom mounts easily on vehicles, tripods, or remotely operated weapon stations. The Venom MC is versatile, supporting multiple calibers and a variety of munitions, from smoke and irritants to aerial flashbangs and flares. Its range, spanning 50 to 1,700 meters, leaves competitors in the dust. Trusted by the U.S. Marine Corps, Venom's intuitive design allows precise operation via handheld or wireless controllers. Whether separating combatants from civilians or escalating force when necessary, the Venom ensures tactical superiority in even the most challenging environments. Stay ahead. This is the future of military technology. Military technologies that have reached a new level. In high-stakes missions, every second counts, and safety is non-negotiable. Enter the SGV, a lightweight, all-terrain robot designed to keep warfighters out of harm's way during critical operations like surveillance, reconnaissance, EOD, and route clearance. At under 30 pounds, the SGV is compact enough to fit in a MOLLE pack, but powerful enough to redefine what's possible on the battlefield. Its 360-degree rotating gripper combines brute strength and surgical precision, capable of handling objects up to 22 pounds with ease. From delicate tasks to heavy lifting, this rugged robot adapts to any challenge. Rain, snow, rough terrain, nothing slows it down. Need to climb stairs? The SGV does it effortlessly, zipping along at over 6 miles per hour to get eyes on the target fast. Equipped with 4 cameras and operable via the UPoint Multi-Root Controller, it provides unparalleled situational awareness. In complex environments, multiple SGVs can work together, extending communication range and operational capabilities. Its modular design supports a range of payloads, from thermal cameras to disruptors, making it the ultimate solution for inaccessible or dangerous scenarios. When lives are on the line, don't risk it. Send the SGV. This is the next level of tactical innovation.